Hello and welcome to this ITEM UI tutorial. This video will guide you through integrating third-party applications within PaaS. ITEM PaaS allows you to uniformly manage your various applications. Start by navigating to the Third-Party Applications tab under Connected Applications, where you'll see third-party apps in addition to those already integrated. Here, you can add a third-party application. Initially, you may upload the logo for the application as needed. Next, you must enter a mandatory application name. You can also provide an optional description if desired. Maintain the 4 URL links at the bottom according to your specific needs. Once these URLs are set up, their corresponding icons will appear in the application list, facilitating easy navigation to the respective websites. After entering all the required information, your new third-party application will appear in the Connected Applications list. To complete the process, integrate your application using the public API provided by ITEM PaaS. Once this is done, you can access your third-party application through your ITEM account. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to integrate third-party applications with PaaS. If you would like to learn more about other ITEM applications, please take a look at our extensive library of tutorial content.